In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Gemini application. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. Uninstalling an app like Gemini can seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the steps, but I promise you it's quite straightforward. Whether you're using it on a desktop or a mobile device, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, if you're using the Gemini web app on your desktop or through Chrome, the removal process is really simple. You just have to follow a few quick steps. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Once it's open, look to the top right corner where you'll see three dots, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, in the drop-down menu, navigate to Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your extensions and apps. In this Settings menu, look for the section labeled You and Google. This is where you can manage your extensions. If you see the Gemini icon listed here, simply click on it and choose to remove or uninstall it. If you've been using the Gemini app on your mobile device, the steps will vary a bit. If you're looking to remove it Ryan's smartphone, you can do this right from the home screen. To uninstall the app, press and hold the Gemini icon until a menu pops up. From there, you should see an option that says Uninstall or Remove from Home. Now, if you've noticed that every time you press and hold your phone's power button, the Gemini app automatically opens, there's a way to disable that shortcut. This can be really handy if you find it inconvenient. For users with Samsung devices, navigate to your phone settings, then head over to Advanced Features. You'll find an option labeled Side Button. Here, you can select what action occurs when you press and hold the button. Change it to pull up the Power menu instead of the Digital Assistant or Gemini app. If you have a Google Pixel, you'll want to go to your phone's settings, then hop into System. Next, tap on Gestures and look for the Press and Hold Power button option. Switch this to the Power menu as well. This change will help prevent the app from opening unexpectedly. Once you have either uninstalled Gemini or modified the button settings, you might find yourself feeling a little lighter without that app around. Sometimes we just need to clean up our devices and get rid of applications that are no longer serving us. If you've followed these steps and have successfully uninstalled Gemini, give yourself a pat on the back. You've taken control of your device and customized it to better suit your needs. Remember, technology should work for you, not the other way around. If you're ever unsure about the steps or if you run into any difficulties, don't hesitate to refer back to these instructions or drop a comment below with your questions. And there you have it. Uninstalling the Gemini application is as simple as a few clicks or taps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy uninstalling!